Right, so let us start off. So we have 4. Let us put x and y together. So 2.6 times 10 to the power of 6. And then 3.1. So if you're not sure, it's okay. You can follow through. Right? So what do you have? So we have to put in the square here, right? Remember? So once we square it, we get 6.76. So you press on the calculator, 6.76 times 10 to the power of 12, right? Then let's copy back this part. So you bring in the 4, bring in the 4 here, then you get, and then you multiply by 3.1. You should get 83.82. 83.82. So I'm just rounding up, okay? Right, so I bring the decimal place in, so I have to increase this. So therefore, it's the power of 4, right? So far, okay? Question 1, okay? Questions in your WhatsApp. Huh? So we are going through the partial paper for those who just joined. So the test will be on the 24th of July. So the 2 Fridays we will prepare for all this, okay? So please come to school, get ready, the environment.
So John,
Yeah.
can we leave it at 83.82 times 10 to the power of 3?
Also can.
Can
I just round off. Just round off. So far 1 okay, 1A okay. 1A, this one is 1A. Okay, if not, let me go on to question 1B. So the questions in your WhatsApp. So 1B, we have to expand this 3x plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 3. So let us expand this. So this part will be 6x squared minus 9x. Okay. Yeah. Remember the minus sign. Then plus 10x. This. And then this. All right. Minus 15. So don't just leave it there. Let's simplify further. 6x squared plus x minus 15. Okay. So 4y squared minus 2, 3x so 4y, let's maintain it here. Let's bring over 3x plus 2 and then y squared. Let's bring the 4 over. So we have 3x plus 2 divided by 4. And then we square root the whole thing. So when we square root the whole thing, remember it could be plus or it could be minus, okay? Why is that so? Why plus and minus? Because you ask yourself, minus 2 square is what? Minus 2 times minus 2, right? To 4 ma. So 2 square, 2 times 2 to 4 ma. So remember, our signs, plus and minus. All right, can we simplify further? We can, right? Because 3x plus 2 bracket whole thing divided by 2. Because square of 4 is 2. So let's leave it as that, okay? So far, okay, 1C? So 1C is 3 marks. So ask yourself if you can simplify further. So every step will be 1 mark.
Teacher,
Yeah.
if you miss the bracket plus and minus, will you minus mark?
Yes.
Man. Okay.
Remember, if you don't do this now, later on when you go to quadrants, you miss out your plus and minus. Why? I tell you, you will have big headache. Then you will miss out one whole set of answers, okay? One quadrant can give you an additional 4 more options. So we maintain the discipline here. So we move on to 1D. So in 1D, we're going to expand to 15 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 17. So anyone joining us? Any more people joining us? Let's see. That's all right. So we have 2. This is quite simple. For those of you who are a little bit faster, just do on your own now, You really have the questions. Okay, so this is the, you get this?
I thought that would become solving and not simplifying, I thought.
Yeah, just solve for it.
So when they say simplify, but if you can solve it, just solve.
Yes, just solve for it.
Okay.
Sometimes they use the terms loosely. So let me go on to 2A. For those who know how to do, don't need to wait for me. Just carry on your own. Okay, so half to the power of half, what does it mean? Square root, right? Then you have a cube here. Because I can simplify 27 further. So the whole idea is I just want to make it 3, 3, 3, right? Then after that, I want to reduce the powers above, right? Which is a bunch of fractions. And then this will be what? 3 to the power of 2, all right? So looking at all this, let me simplify this, take one more step. So far, okay? So let me be a bit tedious and show you every step. So let me take out the 3 now, and then isolate all the powers on top. And then I'll 3 over 2, all right? So I'm gonna add all the powers together. Hey, remember the power on top is for you to consolidate, you have to add them together. I don't go and multiply. What do you have? You get this? Okay.
Mr. John, can we do it in search form?
Leave it in search form. Okay, you
Yeah,
can
then after that, the final answer 81.
I think this one should be fine lah. 3 to the power of 4. You
Only
want?
can use this one during exam.
Yeah, you can leave it like that. So let's move on. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3. After we take out the y, right? And then we have 2x. How can we simplify further? So we just take out the 2x. So of course, the y, we will get rid of the y. Then you have x plus 3. And x minus 1. X plus 3. Okay, so similar ones cancel out. So 2x over x minus 1. So just leave it as that, all right? Okay, let me go to 2C. So you have x squared minus 4, x minus 2, so we can simplify further. X plus 2, x minus 2, and x minus 2. Of course, you see that we can actually cancel out this. So we are left with x plus 2. In fact, we don't even need to bracket it anymore. Okay, cool. Okay, 2D you try on your own, all right? 2D just try on your own. Then I'll move on to so 2D. Okay, so we have two equations. We're going to use the substitution for 3a. Okay, so I'll give you some time to think through how you would solve for this. You can use the substitution method. Okay, so let me identify this as equation 1. Oh, this is so bad. Equation 1. Then this identify equation 2. Let me pull down a little bit more space. So from equation 2,
So
yeah,
this one can solve by substitution and elimination, either one.
yeah, you can, up to you. If they never specify, you can use whichever you are comfortable or you think is faster.
Okay, can.
Yeah, so, but if they specify, then of course they will look out for your marks based on the either substitution or elimination. Sometimes they'll ask you only by elimination or only by substitution. Never specify, then we just see which is the faster way. So we get equation 3. So I sub x equals 20 into EQ3. But before that, let me do this part first. So 3x plus 5y What is y? X goes to 20. So sub 20 into equation 3. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's find for y. Let's try from here. So 3, 20. Oh my gosh, so sorry.